Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post a video to IGTV using your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a MacBook Pro or any other computer, an Instagram account, and a video to post to IGTV. So go all the way down to the dock. Go to Safari, your web browser, and then go to instagram.com/your username. Make sure you are signed into the account. And now go to IGTV. Upload a video. Videos must be between 15 seconds and 10 minutes long. Click on upload. And now go to the video you wish to upload to IGTV. I have a folder on my desktop that contains a video. Take the video, drag and drop the file. Let that upload while we take a look at the thumbnail and see what we are going to upload as the thumbnail. So go to the dock, go to Finder, another Finder, go to Templates, IGTV Templates, Command C to copy, Command V to paste on the desktop, minimize Finder for the moment. Click this presentation, go back to the folder, take the thumbnail, adjust the size of the thumbnail, insert some text, computer science videos, change the color white. And now we can screenshot the thumbnail to the desktop. Quit PowerPoint, go back to the web browser, Safari. For IGTV, as you can see, the video has now been uploaded. Edit the cover. Insert your edited thumbnail. The title of the video will be How to Use Instagram on a Computer. Part 1, go to the description, paste the full title, use a couple of hashtags. Computer science videos. Instagram tutorial, grids for Instagram. Post a preview where your video will appear IGTV. Post the video now. Preparing the video, we will notify you once the video has been uploaded, and so the video has now been uploaded. Go to your posts, refresh the page, and now we see a video for IGTV on the screen. Go back to IGTV, refresh, and now we have one video posted to IGTV. Quit Safari, quit Finder. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.